So what is the Rocket Drones Esports Racing Simulator? It's a site licensed product that gives your school a starting point for all your students to learn the basics of drone flight skills. This thing's pretty cool because it's one of the only esports simulators that leads to an actual certification-based pathway for immediate employment into the drone sector. Cool part is everybody starts out on the same. There's a base camp level where everybody learns the same basic flight skills of drone operations, but then you get to unlock 30 more progressionary pathway courses to more advanced flight skills, leading all the way up to full manual drone control. The other neat thing is every month there is a national competition where we send out prizes to each of the top 3 winners. And if that's not enough for you, we've also got multiplayer where you can connect with another Rocket Drone school.